Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to apply borders in your code with a single VBA line, a single VBA code line. And I will also talk about the efficiency of the macro recorder. First of all, we need to identify the methods of activating the macro recorder. The first one is to go into the developer tab and identify the record macro icon and press it. The second one is to go into view tab, macros button, sub menu, and then record macro. The most used one, the most used method is to go into the status bar and click the record macro icon. So we click it, the record macro box appear. We can set up a new name, we can assign some shortcut, and we can choose how to where to insert this new macro, either in this workbook or personal macro workbook or in a new workbook. For the purpose of that video, we don't need to change these parameters. We simply click OK. Then we go, we select our data, and then we go into the Home tab. We apply all borders. The most simple action that you can do inside Excel. We click again in the macro over the macro icon, and we stop the recorder. Now to see what the macro recorder actually recorded, we go into the developer tab, we activate the Visual Basic Editor, and then we identify the module that the macro recorder has created, and we double click on it. And this one, this incredibly long macro is the action is the macro recorder way to apply borders inside a worksheet. And the first time I've seen this incredible number of lines of code, I couldn't believe it, that such a simple action would require all these lines of code. Okay, this is completely inefficient. We can completely erase it from zero, and we can start our single line of code. The first thing that we type is the active cell property. The active cell, it's a property of the application object. It returns the cell where the cursor is located in the active worksheet. If you think about it for a few seconds, you realize that it is a range. In fact, the active cell is a range. So we can use the current region property, which is a property of the range object. The current region is defined by an area which is surrounded by blank cells. Then we can finally apply the borders. To apply the borders, we use the borders collection, which is the collection of all the borders that you can modify inside your selected area in the worksheet. Then we type the line style property, which will define the style of the line of the borders itself. And we type Excel continuous. So this is all we need, just one single line of code that we can insert in our macros and we can use to format our data. To experiment it, we go back into the worksheet, and then we remove all the borders. Then we go back into the Visual Basic Editor. With the cursor inside the macro, we activate the Run Sub User Form icon here, and you can see with a nanoseconds Excel has applied the borders to our data with just one single line of code. At the end of this video, we can draw some conclusions. The macro recorder, it's a powerful tool because with it you can simply record your actions inside Excel, and you can discover or uncover some of the most obscure methods or properties of the immense Excel object model. But be warned, because the macro recorder is highly inefficient, and the code that it actually records can be greatly improved. So I hope that you enjoyed this little video, and I also hope to see you in the next video.